All right, these are some aftermarket exhaust fans for camp trailers or probably RVs as well if you check the configuration. But you can see that there's some controls here for them, and so they're very quiet. There's different rates of exhaust that you can modify it to, higher or lower. Has a built-in fuse for fuse protection. One of the really awesome features about this is it actually is you can control it with a remote as well, so you don't have to get in and out of bed if you want to have a little bit more airflow. There is nice what would you call it, netting on here, screen material to keep bugs out. As you can see, it didn't let it wasp in there. So installation's very easy, and if you're looking for an upgrade for your exhaust fans to something that's nice and quiet and works well, I would recommend these for sure.